What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I think one thing you need to understand when it comes to Webull, if you are a fan of the Webull platform, is that they have hotkeys. A lot of platforms that I see do not have hotkeys. And what's crazy is something as simple as Webull, and I know it ends up being a little bit complex as you start to get into it. I think that it's absolutely amazing. And once you get your hands on it and start to move around, move the gears around, things get really, really easy. So I wanted to break down these hotkeys and show you what you can do with them, and hopefully you can be able to, be a technical analysis genius here and be able to build all different types of technical analysis for your positions and make the most money possible. That's the goal, is to have profit hands, and if you can gain profit hands, then you're going to make a lot of money in your lifetime, and you're going to be a good day trader or swing trader. So before I get started, please hit that like button, also hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Make sure you check out my Discord group in the description below. It's the first link in the description if you want to sign up for that. Also, MP Shorts, that's my new Shorts channel if you want to check that channel out. I do make 60-second videos, which are great. So why do you need hotkeys? What are hotkeys? Well, hotkeys are generally created for a quick, fast trade or fast technical analysis that you want to build. A lot of people will do hotkeys based on 100 trades. They'll have one button to buy or sell 100 trades on the current stock that they're on. They'll have one button to buy or sell 50 shares of a certain stock. That's usually what they do, is set it up to buy or sell, or cover all their positions or whatever they wanted to do very quickly in like literally a second by pressing that hotkey. No ifs, ands, or buts, no confirming. That's just what it's all about, right? So you usually set that up for buying and selling. But in the case of Webull, you can set it up for a lot more. If you wanted to do it for technical analysis, you can definitely set it up. Like say if I wanted to do a line, I can do Control L, and then I'll draw a line here. I can do it again, quickly draw a line, easily set up my technical analysis so that if things are moving by the second, I can draw by the second. Or if I do H, I can find a support level. Any support level, I can draw a horizontal line right there. And then if I say, okay, you know what, another horizontal line, I want to know what the resistance is. So you're going to say, okay, the resistance is up here. I'm going to put my resistance line. So, to set up these hotkeys are definitely something that you need to be able to do so that you can easily do technical analysis, not only buy and sell. So I think it's a very interesting topic for a lot of people to understand, especially with the Webull platform, because it's so simple to use. Now, let's go ahead and dive into how you can set up hotkeys on Webull, because it's actually really simple. People may think that it ends up being complex. Think of it as a keyboard shortcut to trading, but the only thing is you have to kind of be careful with that. So if you go on, let's say you go on any website and you find a word you want, you're going to go there and you're going to select it. You're going to press Control C to copy, and then you would press Control V to paste it. Those are keyboard shortcuts, so you don't have to right click, scroll down to copy, right click, scroll down to paste. You can press Control C, Control V, boom. Everything's done, right? If you didn't know about that, that's a basic, copy and paste, hotkey for Internet Explorer or anything really. If you want me to go over overall hotkeys of a computer, I can definitely do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and worry about setting up hotkeys, because this is what we're here for. So the way that you set up hotkeys is you go into the settings, the gears at the bottom of your platform, the bottom left of your platform, and then what you're going to do, I don't know why this is not, these gears right here at the bottom left of your platform. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into hotkeys. Very simple. You go into hotkeys, and then you're going to set up whatever those hotkeys are. So if you go into general, you go into chart, right? You're going to see everything that you want to see. So I usually go past general. I will go into chart, and you see that I have my trend line as drawing a trend line, Control L. Horizontal line, Control H. That's where I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Rectangle, Control R. I try and make it as very, as simple as possible. Text, Control T. So you can do things and set up all of these different things. If you wanted to do a Fibonacci retracement, you can set that up as well. I don't generally use that a lot, but I can if I really wanted to. A lot of times I'll just, take the time to go click it because I don't use it that much. But it is great to be able to see that. Now, they also have their automatic setup for keyboard shortcuts, but if you wanted something for a trade, you can definitely set something up for a trade. Let's scroll down here and see where the trades are. So active trade settings, what it's going to do is it's going to go into here. And if you want to select, let's say, buy or sell a certain amount at market order, you would do Control B, and then it would automatically sell at that market order. I think it would take you through confirming, but I'm not 100% sure if it does because I haven't actually done a hotkey shortcut with buying and selling. I've always done it the other way, but I just really started to do this. So I'm not really sure if it's going to take you through confirming, but it's definitely faster than setting up everything, because when you actually go into the regular area, it automatically sets you up with a limit order. So you have to go and type in 100 or type in 50, change this to limit order, or change this to market order, change this to 50, and then you end up being in a very bad situation there to where you have to spend time setting that up, and then you end up buying, which is horrible to have to go through that. But if you want to do it an easy way and you just press Control Buy, whatever, Control B, and it's going to take you through, when you can place an order, when you could sell. You cannot place an order at this moment. Available trading is from 4 a.m. to basically 8 p.m. So yeah, that's how you set up hotkeys. It's very simple in Webull. I make it, I try and make it everything as easy as possible. Webull makes everything as easy as possible, and being able to set up anything for the chart just makes it so amazing to be able to draw any type of trend lines and just, Control L, draw my trend lines. Sorry, I wasn't on the chart, but Control L, draw my trend lines. Then I could draw another one and say, the way that it's moving up. You see this upward moving channel here. If I wanted to draw anything else, like maybe I wanted to draw just like an arrow or something, I don't know. I wanted to go here, and then here. I'm drawing an arrow, show that upward moving channel, or I wanted to look at the horizontal lines. Where are the support levels? Support levels are right there. Support levels are right here. The support levels are right here. The resistance levels right there. So that's something that you really wanted to be able to do at a quick moment, and also buy and sell at a certain period of time. So hopefully you find this video valuable. Hopefully you can use these hotkeys to your advantage if you do like Webull, because it is a great platform. I love it, and it makes things very, very simple for the average person. So let me know what you think about it. Make sure that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. If you want to join my Discord link, Discord group, make sure you click the link in the description. And if you want to subscribe to my MP Shorts channel, click that link in the description as well. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.